Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to design an eye-catching title slide for your PowerPoint presentation. So, let's start the video. First, select the wave shape, draw a wave on the slide, duplicate the shape 4 or 5 times. Go to the Format tab, click on Merge Shape and choose Union. Select rectangle shape, drag it. Select both, click on Merge Shape and choose Union. Duplicate the shape, click on Rotate, select Flip Vertical. Duplicate again. Next, insert an image of nature. Right-click, Send to Back. Select both, go to the Format tab, click on Merge Shape and choose Intersect. This will create a wave shape cutout of the image. Now, insert another image of nature. Select both, go back to Format tab, click on Merge Shape and choose Intersect. Do the same process with the remaining two shapes. Right-click, go to Format Picture, select this shadow from Preset. Select All, reduce transparency and increase blur size. Also change the background color. Now add your presentation title and subtitle. Now click on Slideshow. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy learning how to create this unique PowerPoint title slide design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Aksharika Tutorial for more creative and easy to follow tutorials. Let me know in the comment what tutorial you would like to see next. Until then, keep designing and stay creative. See you in the next video. Thank you.